Thursday, August 1st, here in the Philippines, and it's raining. This looks like it's going to go on for maybe an hour or so, who knows. But it's pouring now. All the workers have gone in and hid. Like there they are over there hiding. Over in that house. And, oh, yeah, there's a couple of dumbass kids playing basketball in the rain. Come back around. There's the owner of that house with his workers. They're just hanging out. It's another wonderful day here. Yippee, yippee, yippee. Mr. Chu. We've got a woodworking furniture type store. And that's Buddy across the street. He does tattoos. Well, we can always use the rain. Sometimes I wish it didn't come down so hard. Now my car's getting washed. This is a good heavy downpour. Yep, I'm gonna go back in and watch some more Star Trek: The Next Generation.